I put my hand underneath so that I can catch them, because as soon as they get loose off of here, they could fall into the puddle of resin that is just below. And I don't want that to happen. I'd rather it just fall into my hand. Number 2. Number 3. Just gonna peel this back. It's actually really, really satisfying to take this off. Oop, oop. Slimy little dude. Today, I tell you what we do today. We take these, these, beep, beep. This is just a test print. Sorry, I guess I should have used a different color for this test. You can't really see it on camera, but this is what we're gonna use. I'm so extra, hold on. Let me turn back into myself. I'm going to make this into an earring on Fusion 360. Let's go. Number 1, we have to open the file, and then I have to save it. Yep, whippity skippity. And then got to get it in the right position that I like. Just gonna keep flipping it. Dude is good now. I looked in the mirror and it looked like if this was positioned more towards the back, it would be like slanted like this, coming away from your ear. So I'm going to put it just in between or just behind this so it can lean forward, kind of just like the same positioning as it is currently, maybe a little bit less. That's too much. That's too much, baby. I've got it in the right position now. When it is in the right position, everything is possible. So under solid, I go to create, choose torus, and then I create a torus about the size of what I want to make for the jump ring to inset into this. I'm going to inset it in here. I'm not going to add a loop to ruin the design. I'm going to inset it. This is what we're doing on the screen. I'm sorry, I should have grabbed my pliers. I didn't though. Okay, so this is the, stop staring at how beautiful I am. I am pretending that this print that I have in real life is the same thing as the thing on the screen, which it is. It came from that. But I need to make sure that when I print it out again with the jump ring in it, with the jump ring inset in it, the jump ring will actually fit. So what I'm doing is visually looking at it and trying to see how big I need to make that jump ring and how thick I need to make it so that it will work out in the future. Why did that take 5 hours to explain? All right, I am putting it into position. I have to get it in the right view. That makes sense for me. I'm so sorry I have to do all of these things. I'm gonna put this slightly back. And then we're gonna look at it from the other view. And let's see, is that correct? Is that what we want? Let's take a look. Let's compare notes. think that that works. I don't want it to be too inset in there because then it gets really difficult to actually thread the loop in there, hence why this is a little bit thicker than what the jump ring is. What I'm going to do now to make sure that this is cut out instead of added, I'm going to select the head, go to mesh, modify, convert mesh. The body is already selected, so you press OK. You wait 5 years for it to convert. Wow, we just traveled through time really fast. We switch from mesh to modify, go over to here, click combine, select the target body, which is this, select the tool body, which is this, and then we are going to do the operation cut. And it changes colors. We press OK, and it's done. Let's look at it. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Look, it's a smiley face. Boop, boop, wah. I am going to save it, export it, and I'm going to save it as this for Prusa. And that's a cool name. Yeah, we're gonna keep that. We're gonna export it. And we're gonna go find it. He has been located. I have adjusted the size because it came out jumbo and in the wrong position. I had to rotate it. So we're going to slice now. Oh, we are in Prusa. We are in Prusa Slicer. Yes. And then we press this button to export the G-code. It brings up the window. You save it to whatever name makes your heart very warm. And then we get to test it. Amen.